G'day folks, today we're going to replace the seat cover on the RMZ 250 bike seat. You can see she's a bit torn. I got my lovely assistant, Blaine.
Hello.
This is probably all we'll need. You got a screwdriver, a pair of pliers and a staple gun. And obviously staples there somewhere. And seat cover, new seat cover. So Blaine's going to start getting the old staples out and then we'll see about covering it. Rightio, we'll come back to you when we've got all the staples out. Coming from the back. All done. Right, do you want to unwrap it or do you want me to unwrap it?
You can do it.
Alright. It's as simple as that. That's the old one, Cactus. Go in the bin. Alright. Now at this point, I'd like to say that we're both not upholsterers. We don't know what we're doing. We've watched a couple of YouTube videos and now we think we're experts. So actually what we'll do, I'll put the front end on first. Try and get it lined up. Yeah, looks good. And you pull the back over. It's alright, that'll come down nice and tight. So I'll actually pull that a bit tighter and that'll bring that down a bit tighter. I'll just set the compressor up for the nail gun, or the staple gun, and we'll staple it back on. Once you get that roughly in position, make sure she's centered in a good position where you want it. We're just going to put some staples around the front edge. Then we'll come down to the back end. Make sure she's sitting right. Put a little bit of pressure on it. Alright, now it's basically on. We've just got to work our way around. Just pull it tight as we go and staple it all the way around. We'll go like that. There's about a little bit. Get a bit tighter. Alright, yeah, check that out. Not too bad for first timers. We're not upholsterers, so can't be too shabby. Well, I'll just grab my knife and we'll give that a bit of a trim up. I'll just show you the back side of that. All the staples are. Staples are cheap. So you can use heaps of them. Righto, let's put her back on the bike and see how she looks with the new plastics. Chuck her on, see what it looks like. Don't forget, push down in the middle. Is it on?
Yep, hope so.
Oh, check out how good looking that bike is. Don't you wish you had a DR?
Nah, it's slow.
No, we'll see. That looks alright actually. On a black and white stripe, looks like a big football boot. With the bloody shoelaces going across. Are you finished yet or what?
I'm getting there.
I'll try to look at that one. A better looking bike. Bit faster too.
Yeah.
That's good. I like that. Yeah, it's not bad. Alrighty, that's the seat on. So if you enjoyed the video, give me a bloody thumbs up and show me a bit of love and hit the subscribe button. See you on the next video.